Hey everyone, hope you're well. Kobi back here again. As always, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Today I'm introducing you to the Stochastic Oscillator indicator, which is often used in tandem with other popular indicators such as RSI, Bollinger Bands, moving averages. But today I'll teach you how to scan given certain criteria, custom criteria pertaining to the Stochastic Oscillator indicator, as well as creating automated sales orders based on the purchases that you make on those scans. So let's dig into it, let's get started. To oscillate means to bounce from one extreme to another around a mean, or a central point, an equilibrium if you will. I hope you can see the relevance of these strangely satisfying graphics here. The stochastic oscillator is a popular technical indicator which is used to identify points at which a security is overbought as well as oversold, and therefore identify entry and exit points for that security. Similar to RSI, stochastic indicator values are demonstrated as percentages, so scores from 0 to 100, with overbought typically ranging from 80 to 100, and oversold typically ranging from 0 to 20. Right now, here we are looking at our chart. We're currently looking at a chart of Apple. And how we want to start is by opening the Stochastic Oscillator indicator and laying it on this chart. So click on Studies here at the top. Edit Studies. Look for Stochastic Slow. And then hit OK. So just to explain what everything is here on the indicator, so this red line indicates the K value, which is equal to the current closing price minus the 14-day low price divided by the 14-day high price minus the 14-day low price. So it gives you a sense of whether the current closing price is above the typical range of where this stock has been trading, or below the typical range or within the range. So the rule of thumb is if the K value is above 80, it's relatively overbought. And if it's below 20, it's relatively oversold. So very similar to the RSI indicator in that regard. And this line here, this purple line, is called the percentage D value. So it's actually a 3-day moving average of the figures on this red line, the percentage K value. And as you can see, the purple line is less dynamic, less jumpy, if you will, than the red line. What we want to do is create a scan for all the stocks in the universe for which both the purple line and the red line, so the percentage K and percentage D, are under 20, so oversold. In order to do that, you hit scan. You can clear these filters, add filter, study, click on this pen or pencil to edit the study, edit, here we want study, stochastic, want stochastic slow. So we want the slow K is less than value 20. Save, and now we're going to add another condition for the D value. So add condition, once again, study, stochastic slow. Change this to slow D is less than value 20. Stochastic slow, the slow D is less than a value of 20. Hit save, say OK, and then run your scan. Great. So let's pick one of these stocks. Let's pick ADPT. We'll look at ADPT's chart. So as you can see, both the purple line and red line are presently below 20, in fact, just below 20. And what we want to do is set an automatic trigger so that once we buy this, it will sell automatically once its red line crosses above 80. So the stock is overbought. So in order to do that, hit Command, if you're using a Mac, buy custom with OCO bracket. We can keep a stop loss as well. Change the stop loss to good till cancelled. And really you can make the stop loss whatever you want it to be. So I'll make mine a stop loss of negative 10%. And then the most important thing, once again, that selling criteria, selling it once the stochastic oscillator K value goes above 80. So in order to input that, click on this cog here to the right. So price rules, market, time and force, once again, GTC. And then this is where we add the study or condition. So obviously the relevant symbol is ADPT. Once you click here, it will add that automatically. Method, study. Then we want to edit study. And actually it's already input here because I recently created this, but I'll show you how to create it again from scratch. So hit edit. We want to go to study, stochastic slow, and we want the K value, so that's already selected by default, is greater than 80. So save, hit OK, and now your automated trigger is completed. So you can buy the stock, just relax, and when either its price reaches a point where its stochastic K value crosses 80, or it hits the stop loss of negative 10%, it will sell automatically. So hit save, confirm and send, and then it would go through. That's it for today. Thank you all very much for your time. As I always say, if this video potentially helps you as much as it's helped me, it's made my time very well worth it. Thanks once again, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.